Hey, Chris here. Did you know that 98% of people lose money when sports betting? That means just 2% of people are actually making money each and every month. Now, by the end of this video, you'll be in that 2% club because we're going to look at 4 tools that you can use in order to beat the sportsbooks. We'll get on the laptop in a second and I'll basically take you through those tools and show you how you can use them to place bets so that the odds are in your favor and you're in that very limited group of people that are actually making profits each month. Now, before we get on the laptop though, I just wanted to say that this video is more aimed at the US betting market. So for the UK viewers, although you can still use this site, I will be updating when there's more sportsbooks added onto the site. So yeah, just to be clear from the start, really beneficial if you're in the United States of America for this one. But wasting no time then, let's get here on the laptop and we'll go through these 4 tools. So yes, we're using the site OddsJam here. And basically we're going to select our state here. So you can see here lots of states available. But we'll just go on New Jersey here and pretend that we're in New Jersey. So just in sign-up bonuses, for those of you in the state of New Jersey, you got just over, so $5,215 in bonuses. Some huge welcome bonuses there when you open these sportsbook accounts, like $1,000 risk-free first bets. Just insane how much money is available there for you to take advantage of. Now, because the OddsJam site, there is so much going on here, like all of these calculators you can use, so many tools, all these different sports where they can check the betting lines for you. But because the site is so good, we're just going to limit it down to 4 tools so that this video isn't like a few hours long, basically. I'm just saying that just so you know that these 4 tools, it's not the only thing that you'll get from OddsJam. There's so much more to it. But the first tool we'll look at is the Arbitrage tool. So to use this tool in order to make profit each month, what you would do is you'd select it, obviously, and then you have, so here it's saying 27 available pre-match bets for an arbitrage opportunity. You'd select the calculator here, and then you would just go ahead and go and place a $100 bet at one sportsbook, and then you go and place the $126.06 bet on the other sportsbook, basically betting against that outcome to happen. So you're covering both outcomes and you're taking the profit in between. So because of the difference in odds, you're actually making an arbitrage bet there and taking a small percent of profit each time. Now, $5.94 might not sound like a huge amount of money, but remember, this is risk-free and it takes less than a minute to place both of these bets. That means over the course of a month, with enough bets placed, you'll see those profits go rocketing up because you'll be placing many of them and taking lots of guaranteed smaller profits. Now, if we go onto tools here and click on the free bonus bet converter tool, we'll go ahead and load that up and I'll show you what's involved with it. So the free bet conversion tool, we'll click on this quick start wizard here. This is a tool that, as it says here, since you do not get back your stake with a free bet, it's critical to place them on wagers with high profit potential, so larger odds there. You should never place a free bet at odds below plus 300 since this will drastically reduce the value of your free bet. Free bet conversion is a method of converting your free bet into cash risk-free. In other words, if you have a $100 free bet on DraftKings, you'll want to know what's the highest possible rate at which you can convert the free bet into cash risk-free. With the free bet conversion tool, you'd place your $100 free bet on DraftKings and hedge the free bet on another sportsbook, so you're actually placing 2 bets. Now, this tool will find those great free bet conversion bets there and just give them to you on a plate here. So we can select calculator, free play amount there. Let's put $100 in that you've got as a free bet. So you're actually going to place a $859.52 hedge bet at the other sportsbook, bet your $100 free bet at the one where you have the free bet, and then take that risk-free guaranteed $90.48 profit. So with this tool, it means you'll never ever waste a free bet again. You're always taking the profit from them risk-free and guaranteed. Now let's go ahead and load up the low hold tool here. Let's go ahead and load up the quick start wizard here on the low hold tool and read through it. So it says sportsbooks are in fierce competition with each other, so they occasionally offer deposit bonuses to keep users coming back. Typically, these bonuses require users to play through a certain amount of cash to receive the bonus. For example, on DraftKings, you may get a $1,000 deposit bonus, but you have to bet that $1,000 5 times through to receive your $1,000 bonus. Low holds are sports betting markets with a small hold percentage, often 0%. This is useful whenever you want to play through deposit bonuses with minimal loss, and low holds are also useful for gaining more reward credits on sportsbook accounts. So you can see here, it's loaded up some of these great 0% bets here. So we can load up the calculator, we can click on, say, $1,000 there, and you can see it's going to be a profit of 0, but all you're doing is wanting to wager and cover all the outcomes so that you can unlock those bonus bets there. If we scroll down here, you can see there's so many bets available. So of course, if a sportsbook says, wager this 5 times, you have enough bets here to get those bets placed and get through the wagering. And then finally, tool number 4 here is going to be the positive EV tool. So this is basically, positive expected value betting, or value betting for short. It's basically where you're going to have the tool here load up some bets for you, and pretty much the odds are in your favor. So there's something called the no vig odds. That's what the odds of the outcome actually happening are. And then you have the sports books there that are going to offer odds that are in their favor. But this tool finds the odds where they're in your favor. So if we load this calculator up here, we can see that the expected value on this is 7.15%. That means for every $100 that you would wager on that, you would expect to make $7.15 over the long term of placing them, because that's the expected value from it. Now, using this value betting tool combined with the other tools I've just shown you is an extremely good way to make profit each and every month when you're betting on sports in America. But don't take my word for it. Get onto OddsJam. Of course, there's the free trial link down in the description. And also, I'll leave a promotional code to get you half price off your first month. So do check it out for yourself, get using the tools, and comment below on this video with how you get on. But now you have the knowledge to be part of the 2% club and have the tools required for you to beat the sportsbooks. I will say thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.